The national game of Bhutan is answer is option D archery. Friends, archery was adopted as the national game when Bhutan joined the United Nations in 1971. And friends, capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Prime Minister of Bhutan is Lotte Tshering. Currencies of Bhutan is Bhutanese Ngultram. In which Indian state did the game of polo originated? Answer is option C, Manipur. Friends, the capital of Manipur is Imphal. How many total players are there in Kho-Kho? Answer is option B, 12 players. Friends, if you understand in detail, each team consists of 12 players, but during a contest, only 9 players from each side take the field. Kho-Kho was started in the state of Maharashtra. The game has been popular in Marathi-speaking people. The Asian Kho-Kho Federation first came into existence in 1987 at the time of the Third South Asian Federation Games held in Calcutta. Who is known as the Wizard of Hockey? Answer is option A, Major Dhyan Chand. Friends, Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player who is also known as the Wizard of Hockey for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats. He was 3-time gold medalist for hockey in Olympic 1928, 32 and 36. Black pearl is related with which of the following sports? Answer is option C, football. With which game is Bhagyashree Thipse associated? Answer is option D, chess. Friends, if we understand in detail, Bhagyashree Thipse is an Indian chess player holding the title of Woman International Master. S. Vijayalakshmi is India's first woman grandmaster in chess. The game of chess was originated in India. From India, the game spread to Persia. Velodrome is related to which sport? Answer is option D, cycling. In cricket, the length of pitch between the two wickets is? Answer is option D, 22 yards. Friends, the length of the pitch between the two wickets in cricket is 22 yards. There is a stump on both sides of it. The length and breadth of the cricket field are 20.12 meters and 3.05 meters. The world famous Roland Garros is related to which sport? Answer is option C, lawn tennis. Friends, Roland Garros is a lawn tennis stadium located in France. The Baramati Sports Stadium is located in the state of? Answer is option A, Odisha. Friends, the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. And friends, the Baramati Stadium was built and established in 1958 by the Odisha Cricket Association. The stadium is mostly used for cricket, sometimes football and hockey also. Copa Cup is related to which sport? Answer is option B, football. Friends, if we understand in detail, the Copa Cup was started in the year 1916. The current champion of the Copa Cup is Argentina, 15th title. Argentina and Uruguay have the most championships in the tournament's history with 15 cups each. The term iron is related to which sport? Answer is option D, golf. Goal is an autobiography of which famous Indian player? Answer is option D, Major Dhyan Chand. Friends, hockey magician Dhyan Chand's autobiography titled Goal was published in 1952. Arjuna Award is given for blank. Answer is option C, outstanding performance in sports. Friends, the Arjuna Award, officially known as Arjuna Award for outstanding performance in sports and games, is the second highest sporting honor in India, the highest being the Khel Ratna Award. It was started in 1961. When were the first modern Olympic Games held? Answer is option D, 1896. Friends, if you understand in detail, the first modern Olympics was held in Athens, Greece in the 1896 Summer Olympics. Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympics. He is known as the father of the modern Olympics. First Commonwealth Games were held in the year. Answer is option A, 1930. Friends, the first Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 at Hamilton, Canada. Commonwealth Games is the second largest sports event after the Olympics. India for the first time participated in the second Commonwealth Games held in 1934 in London. 21st Commonwealth Games were held in 2018 at the Gold Coast City, Australia. International Sports Organization FIDE is related to which sport? Answer is option B, chess. The first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest was blank. Answer is option D, Bachendri Pal. And friends, Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer. She became the first Indian woman in 1984 to reach the summit of Mount Everest. She got the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India in 2019. When did the 6-ball over start in Test cricket? Answer is option A, 1900 AD. What is the national game of USA? Answer is option B, baseball.